Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. And yes, right now I will be watching the second teaser of Kannappa. Now the first one came about 8 months back, and in that obviously we saw the main actor. Vishnu is the lead here, but the other actors Akshay Kumar, Prabhas and all of that, we kind of got their glimpse, like we saw their eyes. So looking at the thumbnail for this one, I am hoping that we're gonna see everybody. Mohanlal is also part of this film, so we're probably gonna get glimpses of all the actors here. So the teaser has released in various languages. I wanted to watch it in Telugu, but I realized there are no subtitles, so I'm gonna be watching the Hindi teaser. Let us begin.
शरणम शरणम। संकट का समय हमारे बहुत निकट आ पहुंचा है। शत्रु यमदूतों की तरह हमारे कबीले का सर्वनाश करने आ रहे हैं।
भयभीत नहीं होना है हमें।
शंकर की सेना कहीं न कहीं तैयार हो रही होगी।
Okay.
चाहे वो हजारों में हो या लाखों में क्यों न हो, लड़ेंगे हम।
It's going to be very action packed for sure.
ये मेरा वचन है, थिन्नाडु का वचन। विपत्ति के समय अपने ही शूरवीरों का रक्त मानने वाली ये मूर्ति देवी नहीं हो सकती।
Oh, finally see them. Wait, was that Kajal Agarwal?
विपत्ति के समय अपने ही शूरवीरों का रक्त मानने वाली ये मूर्ति
With
देवी नहीं
Akshay
हो
Kumar?
सकती।
I thought it was her. Oh, finally!
ये आपका भक्त कैसे
Missing
बनेगा?
Mohanlal. No Prabhas? Oh! Oh, that was nice. The bravest warrior, the ultimate devotee. So there is one song from this. I have seen a couple of comments that for me to react to that song. So I will do that. I will do that in my other channel. But this looks quite interesting because it's about war also, in the sense that he's a warrior, but he's also a huge devotee of Lord Shiv. So great. Okay, let me stop this. So in the description it says that this is an epic pan-Indian film that brings to life the legendary tale of unwavering devotion and sacrifice. So if anyone has some context, please let me know. But otherwise, in my head, I'm thinking after watching both the teasers, we'll get a full-fledged trailer also. But Vishnu's character, he is obviously he is this warrior. He wants to defend his land. Definitely it has to do with his tribe and his land, and him not wanting to give it up. And obviously he is a very big devotee of Lord Shiv, because of which you will see that intervention, that godly intervention that Akshay Kumar would do as he's playing the character of Lord Shiv. So he will do it to help Vishnu's character. That's going to be very interesting. Wow, that will actually serve as a very nice narrative if executed well. Yahan pe execution is the key basically, because otherwise it's going to look very gimmicky and too much in your face. It needs to be executed properly, like how you show the devotion. See, I can see from both the teasers his warrior persona, but maybe that's why you asked me to react to that song, because I have not seen the devotee persona, where like what kind of devotion he shows so that the gods come to help him. So that aspect also needs to be shown properly. I like everybody's looks. Like I liked Mohanlal's whole get-up. Even Prabhas is looking amazing. Vishnu looks great. I am a little like, I don't know about Akshay Kumar's makeup. Do you think it looks a tad bit artificial? They were not able to bring that get-up that well, as per me, but you guys can let me know your thoughts. But I feel that everybody's looks were so good that Akshay Kumar's was not that much great. In fact, his whole attire in OMG 2 was better, I feel. That's just my opinion, but you guys can let me know your thoughts. So yes, that's where I stand with this teaser. I'm gonna wait for the trailer. This looks epic. very larger than life. It all depends on how the story is executed, because it's a very interesting plot point actually. So yeah, that was my reaction and those were my thoughts. I'm gonna sign off now from this video. Hope you guys enjoyed watching this, and I will see you soon on my next one. Bye.